Creating a sunlight through the curtains using a flash. This video will explain how to create an image of natural sunlight shining through curtains on a cloudy day. When shooting backlit photos with light-through white curtains of a large window, insert a reflector ball to reflect the light and shine it on the subject. It will become a soft, fluffy, hicky image. This is a perfectly well-lit photo, but we want to add some accent, so we'll place a flash outside to make it look like light sunshine is coming through from outdoors. We'll try opening the curtains. We'll set the flash up high and at an angle aiming at the subject. We'll close the curtains and make the light softer. Let's take a photo. The photo was able to be shot with natural-like light. The very soft light hits the subject, and the flash creates a sort of hard hair light. If the subject sits along a wall, shadows will be cast and it will look even more natural. Please try this out when it's cloudy.